See, they've done quite a bit of clearing. Knocked down probably about 3 or 4 houses there, I reckon. Well folks, welcome back to the channel. Today is a quick update on Charles Street. We got Britain's Got Talent today, so we thought we'd come down here while we're waiting around to go in. And I thought we'd come down and do a bit of filming. So we're a little bit update on Charles Street. What's going on here with these housing demolition. Well, you can see they've done quite a bit of clearing. Knocked down probably about 3 or 4 houses there, I reckon. If there's any demolition going on, I'm not sure folks. I only got along here because we've got to get back to the theatre soon. At the gate now. Screws the fencing. Yeah. Still got lots to do. I think they're going to do is clear this site here, put the officers in, and they're going to start on this side as far as I've been told. Got the camera through the through this little bit here. Best I can do for you folks. Yeah. I could say there's a lot of rubble there. Yeah, Blackpool Bell calls it anti-YouTuber netting. That's the state of play at the moment, folks. Not a great deal going on this Monday afternoon. Got the main digger is on top there, dormant at the moment, not doing any work. They've got a big area here to bring officers in. Site office and all that sort of thing, you know, port cabins. Yeah. The house there with the leaded windows. I like that house. That'd be a shame when that comes down. But yeah, made good progress. It's about 2 weeks. Yeah, that house there, next to number, no, it's not number 14. That 14B, or was that next door? That's quite smart, that. Would have been a nice house for somebody. Actually, I thought it was one big house, but it looks like 2 flats. That's 14A. Here is they're disconnecting all the electric mains from here. I thought it was gas to start with, but I was told last week it was electric. Find out what's going on here, folks. So got all this road up here. When they start building on here, I reckon this road will go. It's completely gone, this road. I reckon it's part of Cookson Street here. Yeah, got all this up here, look. Wow. What an upheaval, eh? A little gully in the road there, look. Blimey. That looks like some kind of portaloo, doesn't it? That's cool. There's definitely gas main around. On the back there, we just come round to show you where the purple hoardings were. That's electric. Right folks, that's a quick roundup of what's going on in Charles Street. Not a lot of demolition at the moment. It might be a bit shaky on here because I've going to Britain's Got Talent, not allowed to take selfie sticks in there, I don't think. I don't want to run the risk of having it taken off me. Pay 10 quid for another one, but I know it's cheap, but there you go. I do like the old selfie stick. Anyway, good wrap up from Charles Street from now. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell when you upload more videos. See you on the next one. Now off to Britain's Got Talent. Wish me luck. See you soon, folks. Bye.